BRPL Season 2.
Yep, and we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who breaks.
Alright, hotel breaks. Game 3.
Break. Ooh, your stripes.
That's a good break.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse, and I'm not your sir.
Okay.
What was I supposed to do?
Like a boss.
I know y'all see the ice on my neck right here. Our BRPL chains.
Trying to get that in front of a hole. I hate it being behind that ball.
Alright, let's make our predictions. So first, I'm gonna make my prediction. I'm gonna go with Hotel because he has yet to win a
That did
game.
not make contact at all.
Yikes. I'm still gonna go with
Might
Hotel.
want to change your prediction.
So I'm gonna go
It's
with
looking
Hotel.
rough.
So
Yeah,
Sensei, who you going with?
I'm going to go with Blizzard.
Blizzard Breaker. Alright, so it's 1-1. Deciding factor, who you going with?
Yeah,
What?
I was just making sure.
As much as I hate to say this, I think I'm gonna go with Hotel because Blizzard Breaker can't go undefeated for the first 2 games of the season.
Okay. We'll see what happens. Predictions are in.
Can you set me up with one shot, please?
I need your haircut.
You need shots set up for you.
Excuse me, sir. This is looking rough.
You know what time it is, Ben?
What time is it?
I'll leave it out. We can leave it out. I can leave it out. Shot at 10. Ready? Nope, no it's not.
Y'all stay tuned for the next game if you want to see Sensei. That'll be his first ever BRPL game.
My
Yeah,
name is
just gonna-
Hotel, but I shoot like Motel.
Boom.
Oh, there.
Hit mine in first, though.
2 for $1.
Yes.
That's what they say.
Dude. What the heck?
What do you think about this game so far?
Man, I'm him.
You're him? That's not what I. Alright, you know what? That's cool. Sensei, how do you think this game's going so far?
Doesn't matter. They're nothing compared to me, so.
Alright. Cool.
Who got? Bro, who do you think that you are, bro?
Ooh.
Who do you think you are, Black Magic? Who do you think you are? I am.
Just
wait.
I'm sensing some tension right now between Black Magic and
That's
Sensei.
It. Game 4, it's me versus you.
My pool stick is ready to eat for everyone.
Oh my goodness. This is
We
rough.
really need to stop giving him quotes to say, dude. I'm tired. These dreads. So hard to. That's what I wanted.
Hey, what time is it, bro?
1 o'clock.
Win o'clock. Okay. Hotel, what time is it?
Oh, dude, I don't even know.
Alright.
Did the elevator just ding? What floor are we on? It looks like we're on the ground floor. We ain't going up no time soon.
I don't know about that quote, but we'll roll with it.
Wait. I need a shot. That's what it is. Jump it. Very risky.
Oh, we have a special shout out that this one's been very long overdue. Shout out Max Lewis for for being a big fan. I know you've been needing a shout out, so there you go.
Yes, Maxwell.
Maxwell. Let's make the shot.
No.
Oh, yeah, technically.
We have a second shout out that we. Can we just put the words Bryson Gaither in between my hands? If we could just do that. Shout out Bryson Gaither.
Yeah, shout out.
Man.
Hey, if y'all want to be shout out on the BRPL, subscribe.
It's currently tied.
It's currently tied this big game.
Now he's up by a ball.
Hotel's taking the lead right now.
This is a rough one.
Oh.
It's okay.
Let's get some momentum going. Momentum. Bless the ball, crowd.
It's a good game. Another good game.
Indeed.
Season 2 starts
It's always
out
like this
good.
with me and Hotel. I mean, two great players just battling it out, you know? I mean, better than you Magic, bro.
Okay, that was a good shot. That's a good shot. Uh-oh. Could this be game right here? Hold up, don't shoot it. A good.
Hey, that shot.
This could be game. Hotel, are you nervous?
A little bit.
Sensei,
admit.
is he gonna hit this?
No way.
No way.
No way.
All right, we'll see. Is this game right here? Could this be 2 wins in a row?
Nah.
Black Magic says no. Sensei says no. Odds are against him. And he does miss. It's okay. Hotel still has some life. Another really good game.
Okay. See that. Sportsmanship, guys. Gotta show good sportsman. Hold on. Screw it.
Oh. What have we here?
This is the forbidden technique, bro. Forbode.
All for nothing.
There's a reason for that.
So many
There's a
contacts.
reason that it's forbidden.
Yep, that is forbidden. Don't do that again.
This pocket, this should be game.
Should we
Should be
game?
game.
Alright.
Deep breaths. Deep breaths.
Is this game? Alright, come on, bro. Look at them dreads. Alright. Hotel's very anxious over there. Oh! Hotel still has some life.
Getting kind of nervy.
Come on, Hotel.
Do it for the people. Do it for the... Table scratch. That means I can place it anywhere, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Bless it, crowd.
Oh, yeah.
Game 2. BRPL. This is game 3, right? Game 3. Of season 2. That's what I meant. Season 2. BRPL. Goes to Blizzard Breaker.
This game. Hotel, I don't really know what to say other than you're 0-2 to start off. How do you feel after this?
It's a rough start, I will admit, but I'm not worried. I know I'm a good pool player. I know I'm better than my opponents. I just need to show it.
I agree. Hey, Blizzard Breaker, is that victory drink good?
No.
No? All right, well, you're 2-0 to start out the season. How do you feel?
I mean, refreshed. I feel like I'm off to a good start. Hopefully I can keep it going into the tournament. And back-to-back, 2-peat. And then next season, 3-peat. Then 4-peat. Then 5-peat. Then 6-peat.
All right, that's good. All right, that's good. Y'all tune in for Game 4. Subscribe.